Good afternoon, guys. I'm Sean, development chef from Falcon Foodservice Equipment. I'm going to go through the cleaning process of the NABOO Lennox Combi oven, and just to show you how fast, how easy it is. Typical example is I'm busy with lunch service is finished, okay, and I want to start the cleaning process. Notoriously, ovens take long to cool down. With NABOO, there's a very, very fast cooling cycle. I'm sitting in a temperature now, I'm going up to 185, so it's 150, and I need to cool the chamber down as fast as possible. Why do I want to do that? Because that will enhance my cleaning procedure. It'll make it much faster as well. By stopping the cycle it's in at the moment, okay, and I want to clean the oven. So I'm going to go to my cleaning cycle, bearing in mind the oven is still setting at a temperature of about 180 degrees. Now any cleaning procedure that takes place has to happen from the start at the temperature inside the chamber, which is below 60 degrees. Ideally you want to start the cleaning process about 53. So we're going to drop the temperature down. How are we going to do that? Straight into the cleaning cycle. We're going to initiate a soft wash. Why have I selected a soft wash? My lunch service is finished. I can visually inspect my unit inside. The trays are out already and I can see that inside the oven it does not need a lot of cleaning. So it only requires a soft wash. If the oven was heavily soiled, I've got various options to go through. I can do a hard wash, I can do an extreme hard wash, I can do economic hard wash which uses less water and energy. But I've selected soft wash. So I'm going to do a soft wash cycle. Okay, initiate it. And the process won't start because the chamber is too hot. So automatically the cleaning procedure will cool your oven down for you. Just open the door. At this stage now, NABOO's cooled itself down. The chamber needs to be at the correct temperature for the chemicals to start the cleaning process and that activation properly. So again, NABOO's taken care of that. I'm going to close the door and the process will start automatically. Now I've selected that the oven remain on afterwards, so once the cleaning cycle is completed, I can go straight into the cooking mode. Okay. There's also an option for you to have it shut down at the end if you're cleaning the oven at the end of the night, and that'll be the oven safely shut down until the next service. So as you can see, the NABOO cleaned quite fast. The chamber inside, fantastic. All in 23 minutes and you've got a clean chamber. Close the door, get out of the program, and you're ready to proceed with cooking.